Hello everyone, this is just a quick walkthrough video of our demo for our fault detection model, which you can find on the junobietas.com webpage. So all you do is you navigate to junobietas.com and you'll see some of the other apps that we've discussed in previous videos here, and you go down to the faults model and just briefly read through the instructions here. Specifically, just note down there's a username and a password that you must enter to get into this app. For this app, you do not need to log in using your Juno credentials. You can just go directly to the app, but just take note first time that you note those credentials. Then I also recommend that you go to these three images and just download them so you have some images to play with before you start testing with your own images. So for example, you can just click on demo 1. It will load this image and you can just click there and save image as to download it. And I've already done that, so I'm just going to go back, and now I'm ready to go to the page. I click on fault detection demo. Now if it's the first time you're going to this page, it will prompt you for the username and password, which is just those two credentials I've just pointed out. And you can, if you just want to quickly get started, you can just take this image right here and drag it down to this area, and the inferencing will start. You can see it's going, and you can see how Juno Intelligence has inferenced the distresses there. Let's go and try one of those images that I downloaded earlier. So first I'm going to just bring up that image, the first image, so we can look at it in detail before we do inferencing. So here I've opened the downloaded image, and you can see if I zoom in, you will see there's some mesh cracking, crocodile cracking with pumping visible here, and obviously quite a bit of flushing here. Now notice there's also a patch down there, but the inferencing will normally only take place in the bottom half of the image, because if you are inferencing a video, you're going to inference every few meters, so you don't want to double count. So that's the way that the inferencing works. So let's load this image and see how Juno Intelligence does the inferencing. So I'm going to just browse and select that image, and you can see the inferencing is being done, and there is the inferencing. So you can see it's identified pumping and cracking and also flushing. And if you're loading your own images, you can play with this detection threshold. If you lower the threshold, it's more likely to, it's more sensitive to detect distresses, but it may also give you some false positives. So you'll see in this case, it probably will not make a difference. So I just drag this back, and inferencing will happen again with this detection threshold. And you can see in this case, it didn't make a difference. So that's basically just a way for you to see what this technology can do. As I will note in our Juno Days blog, that of course if you're going to do this at scale, at the network level, you will be using our Juno inferencing framework, which has a special video collection app and makes it much easier for you to actually do this type of inferencing on a very large scale. So that's it for this little overview video. Thanks for watching.